Hi everyone, welcome to Legally Yours. I'm very excited today because we are doing a slightly different video for Legally Yours. We are very excited to be partnered with Kathy Constant and the award-winning team at LodgeX. And we all know the incredible e-settlement platform and the incredible solutions that they have built. But what we wanted to do was actually to speak to some of LodgeX clients to really find out why LodgeX are setting the gold standard in e-conveyancing solutions in Australia. And so welcome, Deidre Madden from Biz Spec. Thank you for sitting down and chatting with me.
My pleasure.
All right, so let's get into it. Can you let me know a little bit about what made you reach out to LodgeX?
I reached out to them because my business is outside the box. I was a commercial lawyer for about, 12, 13 years.
Right.
And I left private practice about 5 years ago. And I've been doing commercial consultancy work. So not legal work, but on the periphery of for a major medical client. As part of that, they had asked me and encouraged me and begged me to do a certain amount of conveyancing type work for them. So when like the CEO would be buying a property, he wouldn't trust anybody else, so I'd have to do it. And in Queensland, even though I have a practicing certificate and I'm a member of the Law Society, because I don't practice for a firm, it's a bit...
Yes.
There's a blurred line there. But
Okay.
with these kind of situations, it's part and parcel of the engagement I have is that I have to look after some of, the top dogs' personal matters.
Yep.
But obviously now with COVID and everything, these PEXA settlements became the way to go.
Yes.
And I have used SAI Global, now Diane Durham, for years for my searches.
Yes.
And I reached out to them here in Brisbane and just asked, do you guys have the facility to do these PEXA settlements? I have neither the time, the interest, nor the volume to go through the horrors of becoming a subscriber.
Yes.
And they put me in touch with the LodgeX and said, we have this direct feed with them. I went, okay.
Amazing.
And I contacted LodgeX and I've never looked back. I am getting them to do more and more things because part of my role with this medical group is we do a lot of leasing.
Yes.
Both we lease from and we lease to. There's some of the things we do with banks require certain things like priority notices and titles office work.
Yes.
So I have discovered with LodgeX the fact that the PEXA thing is amazing.
Yes. I
don't have to get in my car, go into the CBD, pick up bank checks, go to a room, meet someone, hand it over. From a time point of view, it has just saved me innumerable hours. And they don't even charge enough for the time that they save me. It's ridiculous.
Amazing. You've kind of covered some of the questions I wanted to ask you, because obviously one of them was, how has it improved the way you deliver services to your clients? But it sounds like because of what they offer, you don't have to say no when those inquiries come up because you've got LodgeX supporting you. So would that be right? You're able to now take on those things, which you said you don't have the time or, the volume to set up a separate part of your business to do it. But now you can actually say yes because you've got the support of LodgeX. Is that right?
Absolutely. And LodgeX they're currently doing one for me. They're actually handling the conveyance.
Yeah.
It was a favor I was doing for a friend. It's an estate matter. I was helping them administer their estate. There's a property involved. It's being sold. And Sky is actually acting as the lawyer.
Yes.
On the face of it with the other side, and I'm in the background just funneling the instructions, and it's so easy.
I love it.
I'm hearing everything perfectly.
I'm hearing relief. I'm hearing peace of mind. I'm hearing just convenience. I'm hearing simplicity. Is that right?
Yes.
Are there all the things?
And responsiveness.
Responsiveness. Fantastic.
I put something in the portal. They are back to me within 10 minutes. 20 minutes. There's no trailing after them. There's no having to harass and go, what's the update? What's happening? They just respond very, very quickly.
Yes.
They're hyper efficient.
Yes.
I mean, the old days, if I had to put a priority notice on title, I'd have to fill out the paperwork, sign it, drive to the city, drop it to title's office for lodgement. I mean, that's hours of your day that disappear. I can now send an instruction to Sky and I get a response within the hour going, it's done.
I absolutely love it. Now, I think I know what you're going to say to this last question, but would you recommend LodgeX to others?
To everybody. Everybody.
I love it.
I mean, if you think about it this way, they're the perfect solution for ordinary moms and dads just buying a house or an apartment. They don't need to go to a law firm and be charged a fortune and running around signing documents and putting funds in trust accounts. LodgeX, literally, you engage them. They're cheaper than most firms, and it's just done. It's done. It's an incredible facility to have. And I have no need to go out and subscribe to PEX. I have no need to go out and set up my official law firm practice in order to do that kind of work. They can do it for me.
Yes, that's right. And there's so much effort and time involved for registering to become a PEXA agent as well, like you say.
Yes.
So, and if it's not a core component of your business, why do it when you've got LodgeX sitting there? I absolutely love it. Dee, I have so enjoyed sitting down with you. Thank you so much on behalf of Legally Yours and the team at LodgeX. They'll be so super up to hear about your testimonial. But thank you so much for sitting down with me. And thank you to everyone that's watching. Go out and subscribe to LodgeX, lodgex.com.au. Love it. Thank you.
Thank you.